anybody wants to come all the way down on this side, feel free. Anywhere in the room. We have this whole room here. If you look down this room, going in, wait, hold on one second, folks, I'm going over here. Alright. There are two wings to the plane. There's the Nevada wing and the Arizona wing. The Arizona wing is in the direction behind me. If you look down this room, you'll see those red and blue generators. There are 8 of them here on the Nevada wing, 9 over on the Arizona wing for a total of 17. Each generator stands at about 70 feet tall, but we can only see the top 30 feet above the floor. The other 40 feet actually goes below the surface into the water. That's where those turbines are spinning. As you look across the top of each generator, you'll see there's a white light. That very first one in the front says N1, meaning it's the first generator on the Nevada wing. Of course, on the Arizona wing, you'll see an A instead of an N for Arizona. If the light is on, it means that generator is currently in operation. They don't all operate at the same time. It's based solely on demand. So during the day, we typically see a lot less in operation.